Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info, and I'm going to show you how to fix the camera flickering issue on the Redmi 15. Basically, it's very easy to do. You should open camera settings, camera app, then click on this pretty arrow on the top of your screen. Then click settings. Then here you should choose, you should choose general. In general, find other settings, and here you will see anti-bending settings, and here we have off, 60 Hz and auto. So all light sources, especially fluorescent and some LED bulbs, flicker at the mains frequency, usually 50 Hz in Europe and 60 Hz in some other countries, like USA for example. A camera captures images at a certain frame rate on shutter speed, and if these settings don't match the light's flicker frequency, you will see pulsy photos and videos. So if you notice strong flicker while recording or taking pictures, simply change the camera anti-flicker settings to 50 Hz or 60 Hz. Of course, auto mode is pretty good, but sometimes it doesn't work. So you can change to 60 Hz sometimes, and sometimes it will work for you. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. If it's true, please consider to leave a like and a comment below.